starter fuse location.
I'm pushing this, and my car is not starting. The fuse and relay box is just to the right of the battery, so we're going to remove that, orient it the same way. We're going to look, and right here it says starter is in location 12, and location 12 is right here, which is this 30 amp fuse here. There's a fuse puller right here. We're just going to pull that up, and then we're going to remove this fuse. Then we're going to give it a visual inspection. A lot of times you can see that it's burned out at the top. If you can't, then you're going to use a voltmeter or multimeter. You're going to test it to make sure there's continuity. We want to make sure that the circuit is not broken. So we'll test this. If this is bad and faulty, we're going to replace it. And then we'll place a new one in there. Go to the vehicle, and we're going to hit that start button. And in this instance, that started it up. So if you're having an issue, don't be afraid to go in that fuse and relay box. Check that fuse. It's fuse number 12. It's a 30 amp fuse. And see if that's the issue before you go any farther. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.